if you have an AI automation agency or you're thinking about starting one, these are the service automations that you have to actually sell, because some service automations are not profitable and others are. But if you choose a niche, or if you choose a service that actually makes money, that actually is going to get you sales, that actually is going to get you clients, then you're bound to be successful. Because the first mistake that people make is they choose the wrong automations. Okay. When thinking about creating your own automation, or if you have your own AI automation agency, the first one that I would think about, the first one that I would even consider, the first one that I personally do and kind of love, besides the last one I'm about to tell you towards the end of the video, is the customer service automation. This involves using AI to automate customer service tasks, such as asking frequently asked questions, resolving tickets, and providing support. This can free up human agents to focus on more complex tasks, improve customer satisfaction, and reduce costs. The niches that can use this are e-commerce business, financial institutions, healthcare organizations, and technology companies. It's one of those things where I have this little doctor guy here, right? Healthcare organizations. Say I'm a person, right? I have an appointment tomorrow at my doctor's office, and I want to call to see if my appointment is still at 3 or if it's at 4, or I just want to know the time. Back then, you needed somebody to sit there and just spend all day answering phone calls of, hey, is my appointment tomorrow? The next person calls, hey, are you guys open tomorrow? The next person calls, hey, is my appointment in a week and next week? And people would just call and ask the similar questions, frequently asked questions. And one of the most frequently asked questions somebody's gonna ask is, what time is my appointment? Or is my appointment this week? Or it's something that has to do with their appointment. So if you can create some type of automation, whether it's a chatbot, a voice assistant, or just a frequently asked questions page where somebody can come and get their question answered. They might fill out their little information, they might put their birthday, and it tells them their information for the appointment. It tells you the time, the date of it. If you're calling through a phone, if you give me your name, if you give me your birthday, and then if I can tell you what time your appointment is. And it's one of those things where you can automate the process. And this, like it says, it can free up human agents, because now you don't have to have somebody sitting there answering the phone, just answering, redundant questions like, oh, are you guys open tomorrow? Is my appointment at 2 or is it at 3? You know what I mean? So it's one of those things where you can make money just like helping doctors save more money. And this can reduce costs and improve customer satisfaction, meaning if a person can figure out what time their appointment is tomorrow and they can actually get the correct time and go to the correct place and get the correct information, then it makes it easier for you to go, for the person to come. And the day before, you can even have an automation that calls the person that says, hey, don't forget your appointment is tomorrow at 3. Press 2 to cancel if you don't want to go. So then now the doctor, if somebody's not coming, the doctor knows because they canceled the night before. If somebody is coming, the doctor knows because the automation system called them and told them that, this is the time your appointment is happening, and they said that they're okay with it. And it's one of those things where you're going to save them a lot of time. You're going to save them a lot of money. And this is as simple as you can do it, because all you're doing is focusing on the customer. Okay, that's all it is. Because once you focus on the customer, you just find ways that you can automate the process for businesses. Okay, the next one is a marketing automation. This the AI can be used to automate marketing tasks such as lead generation, email marketing, and social media marketing. This can help businesses reach more customers, improve conversion rates, and save time and money. It's one of those things where you can automate certain processes, whether it's going and following certain accounts off a hashtag, whether it's posting pictures regularly, whether it's actually understanding how to post, what to post, when to post, understanding your target niche, your target audience, and how to actually, make money from your products, whatever it is that you want to do, whether it's generating leads. Like I said, you want to help a real estate company make more money or get more sales, sell more houses. You can get them more leads, meaning there are more people that are inquiring about their house that they want to sell, more people inquiring about a house that they want to buy. That's one of those things where some of the niches that it uses are e-commerce business, B2B, nonprofits, and political campaigns. One of my favorite ones that people sleep on is the nonprofits. Nonprofits make money from donations. So they have to make money when people know about what they do and people decide to donate to the cause. So if you can help a nonprofit generate more leads through like email marketing and social media marketing, meaning if they have a website and they went and fed 1 million homeless people, or 10 million, 10 million, fed some homeless people, you can record it, put it on social media and market it. You can show it to people, so that somebody who's in a different state, different country, different whatever, can see that video and be like, wow, I love the fact that they feed homeless people. I want to donate to the cause because I want them to feed more homeless people. You literally can run social media marketing and email marketing through automations, but you can have it to where when people want to donate, the process is easy. whenever someone donates, they get an email. And when they get an email, they get a follow-up link. They get follow-up text messages. And it's one of those things where you can automate the whole process. So like from the moment somebody clicks donate, or when somebody's coming on there to try to donate, you can upsell them. You can, once they donate, like say, you send them emails, you send them text messages, you send them videos of all the things that their progress is doing. So if I donate to a thing that says we save horses, I want to be able to get a picture every month of a horse that was saved and it's smiling and eating carrots or something, because it's going to show me that my money actually went to a right cause. And so next month, when you say, hey, we're doing a campaign to save 500 horses, we need $1 million, I'm actually going to give because I see that you guys saved Lucky last week. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, like I said, this one has a lot of potential. This one is actually my favorite, and it's the sales. Okay. The sales automation, AI can be used to automate sales tasks such as lead qualification, scheduling appointments, and generating proposals. This can help businesses to close more deals, improve efficiency, and free up sales reps to focus on building relationships. Meaning, the niches that use this are B2B service as service as SaaS companies, technology companies, manufacturing companies. And it's one of those things where they will pay you money to help them with something as simple as scheduling appointments. It's one of those things where if you go to a fitness company and you say, hey, I can get you more appointments and I can automate the process to where when somebody signs up, they pick a date and a time that works for you. And then when they pick a date and time, they tell you what they need, what kind of workout, so you can prep. So all you do at the end of the week, or all you do at the end of the day is just look through all the potential clients you have and know the schedules that you have for the upcoming month, week, and years. Because people are going to come on there and they're going to say, hey, this month I need on the 5th, on 3 a.m., I want to do 10 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 40 burpees, and, I also want a shirt. And you just come to the place ready to teach them how to do sit-ups, push-ups, and burpees, and you also bring a shirt because they wanted one. And that person pays you, you get paid, and at the end of the day, you're getting the person more clients, you're getting them more people, and you're making money because you just automated the process. And then so when the person comes, then they do a workout, then you get a video of your workout, or you get a video, or you get a progress chart that says, hey, you're doing amazing. This is how many calories you lost. This is how you do whatever. These are the goals you set. This is how far along you are. So then people work towards that goal. You can create a little thing that automates the whole process. So like I said, it automates the getting people. So when somebody comes on there and they want to work out, you can automate the process of, instead of someone having to talk on the phone, it's like, hey, you want to work out tomorrow? Okay, what time? Oh, at 3? Oh, okay, no problem. Oh, you want to do some burpees? Oh, okay, true. Instead of literally just sitting there wasting time and money on the phone, you literally could just have it all set up. So where even if you could have like the voice automation where somebody comes on there and it's literally like, oh, what day do you want to do it? What time are you available? Oh, I'm free next week, Tuesday at 4. Oh, next week, Tuesday at 4 sounds good? Yes, sounds good. And they're not talking to a person, they're talking to a robot or even on a chatbot. It's like, what time would you want to do your appointment? Or like, these are the available times. And then they choose Tuesday. What time on Tuesday? 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Yes. Okay, what kind of workout? Hard, intensity, low, stamina, or whatever. No problem. Do you want to budget? Do you want to plan for a diet? Yes. You literally can just automate the whole process. And then so you track all this information from the customer, and then you just automate it to where it just automatically sends that list to the trainer. So the trainer just gets a list of, ding, Jessica just booked an appointment tomorrow, Saturday, or whatever at 3. If she wants this, and this, and this. And then now the person knows what to do. It's easy for them. And all they have to do is just show up and do the process. And this one is my favorite because you can even use this automation to literally just like sell anything. Like, if the main thing about it is to close more deals and improve efficiency. And the reason why I love this is because the improving efficiency is like, if you can close more deals, you generate people more money. If you generate people more money, that's more money they have to pay you. It's as simple as that. So if you can help people make more money by literally helping them speed up the process of whatever makes them money, or by helping them do the thing that stop doing the things that's losing them money, you will be able to get paid from those same people because they'll have money to pay you. And improved efficiency is one of those things where a lot of people are just losing a lot of money because they're just spending it on things that are inefficient. Like I said, if you're sitting there on the phone having to answer phone calls of, hey, what time is your appointment? Or if you're like, oh, somebody calls and they're like, hey, I want to get a personal trainer tomorrow at 3, blah, 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 blah. You're sitting there just on the phone, like you're just wasting time. And imagine that person could be literally doing anything else. So if you get the robot to do it, if you get the AI automation to do it, then you literally can save them a lot of time, a lot of money, and free up a lot of efficiency. Okay. It's as simple as that. The last one is the operations automation. AI can be used to automate operational tasks such as scheduling, inventory management, and quality control. This can help businesses to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve. So the operations one, this one is good for like restaurants. This one's good for like the companies that have to like order things in bulk, order things often, and things that like have to do with tracking. Meaning, it's like if I have a gas station or if I have, say, a restaurant, it's like if I'm running out of sodas and I don't order more sodas, then like I'm eventually gonna run out of soda. So when somebody comes and they're like, "Hey, I want a soda," you're gonna when you get some over out of sodas. So it's one of those things where if you have a system of where you can track it, like manufacturing company, logistics company, retail, healthcare, if you have a system where you can track the manufacturing of what's being come in or what's going in and what's going out, if you, the logistics companies if you can track the things of how far people are going and what they're moving, the retail, if you can track, like I said, kind of like I was saying, it's like if you can track the shirts and the clothes and the shoes, like Walmart knows, okay, like people buy this many TVs, people buy this many microwaves. Okay, we have to order this many more microwaves. Amazon literally makes money from knowing what you're gonna buy. They literally have like 10 million, not 10 million. They have 1,000 laptops sitting in a warehouse somewhere ready to go because they know eventually someone's gonna buy a laptop. So when you buy it, they're like, hey, ship it out to you like it's nothing. But a lot of companies can use the automation to where there's a lot of things that they don't need to do. So like instead of like somebody sitting there and ordering 5 new things and calling and then shipping and placing the order and making sure it's placed and then the correct address and then the shipping number, you literally can have the automated process where when 5 get bought, it automatically buys 5 more from the supplier. If I sell fruit, if somebody buys 10 pieces, the 10 mangoes or 10 boxes of watermelon, whatever, it automatically places an order to get 10 more boxes of watermelon. So it's one of those things where I save that person a lot of time because they don't have to sit there and buy all the watermelon. They have to buy more fruit and more mangoes. And it's one of those things where you just save them a lot of time, you save them a lot of money. And like I said, these are just the 4 automations that I think make the most money, but there are more out there. There's like, at least a lot. And it's one of those things where these are, I think, the 4 most profitable. And like I say, if you found this video helpful, if you found this video, informational, then give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and help your boy out. It's one of those things where, like I said, at the end of the day, these niches are there, these services are there, and all you have to do is just automate it for businesses. You just have to know what to do for a business, and you just have to actually do it. But businesses are there. They want to pay you to do this. They want to pay you to automate their tasks because a lot of people are losing money, or a lot of people are trying to make more money. So you go to them and you say, "Hey, this is what you can do to stop losing money. This is how you automate the task, or this is what you do to keep making more money because this is how you automate the task." It's one of those things where as long as you have those 2 things in mind, there's no way, there's no reason, and there's no, you know, no no chance that you won't make any money from actually having an AI automation agency. Because like I said, this has a lot of potential. And so kind of like I said, if you find this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.